Shaky videos? Not in 2025. Today, we're checking out the best smartphone gimbals of 2025. From smart AI tracking stabilizers to foldable gimbals that fit right in your pocket. Let's find out which one's perfect for your next viral video. Let's kick things off with a fan favorite, the DJI Osmo Mobile SE. This gimbal is all about balance, affordability, performance, and portability in one slick package. You're getting a 3-axis stabilization system that keeps your phone steady even when you're running, panning, or shooting from weird angles. The Active Track 6.0 feature automatically locks onto your subject, tracking smoothly whether you're vlogging, dancing, or filming your pet sprinting around the yard. DJI also added a built-in tripod and selfie stick, making it a complete setup for vloggers or travelers. The magnetic clamp system is quick to attach, and the DJI Mimo app gives you smart templates, motion time-lapses, and story modes for effortless editing. Battery life clocks in around 8 hours, which is plenty for a full day of shooting. It's lightweight, beginner-friendly, and works great for both iPhone and Android users. If you want a reliable, easy-to-use gimbal that delivers buttery smooth footage every time, check out the DJI Osmo Mobile SE, link in the description. Next up is the Zhiyun Smooth Q4 Combo, one of the most portable and user-friendly gimbals out there. This one's perfect for vloggers, TikTok creators, or travelers who don't want to carry bulky gear. It's got a built-in 8.5-inch extension rod, turning it into a stabilizer and selfie stick combo, ideal for wide-angle shots, group selfies, or high-low perspectives. The 3-axis stabilization keeps your videos smooth and cinematic, while the smart templates and gesture controls let you create professional shots with zero setup hassle. What's cool is how fast it folds down. It literally fits into your pocket. The combo edition also includes a mini tripod, LED fill light, and a carry bag, giving you everything you need out of the box. The Zhiyun app also includes smart follow and dolly zoom effects, making your phone footage look straight out of a movie. If portability and creativity are your top priorities, hit the link in the description to check out the Zhiyun Smooth Q4 Combo. Now, if you want the most advanced gimbal of the year, meet the Insta360 Flow 2 Pro. This one's like having a cameraman in your pocket. It's powered by Apple Docket integration and AI tracking that works across 200+ apps, meaning you can use it seamlessly with Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, or even your camera app without switching screens. The 360-degree pan tracking and multi-person detection takes subject tracking to another level. It doesn't just follow faces, it recognizes groups and adapts to motion intelligently. It's also got a built-in tripod, selfie stick, and an incredibly smooth foldable design that's easy to carry. Another standout feature, the stabilization algorithm is powered by Insta360's Flow State tech, the same system behind their action cameras, so even handheld shots look cinematic and shake-free. Battery life can last up to 10 hours, and it supports fast charging via USB-C. If you're a serious content creator who wants AI precision and effortless automation, this one's a total game changer. Want next-level smart tracking and cinematic stabilization? You'll find the Insta360 Flow 2 Pro linked below. It's the gimbal every creator's talking about. Moving on, we've got the DJI Osmo Mobile 6, the premium big brother of the SE. And let me tell you, this one means business. It's got the same 3-axis stabilization, but adds a more powerful Active Track 6.0 system, a status display panel, and a built-in extension rod for flexible shooting. The grip feels more ergonomic, and the new side wheel lets you manually control focus or zoom, giving you pro-level control over your shots. The setup process is incredibly quick. As soon as you unfold the gimbal, it automatically powers on and connects to your phone. With its compact, foldable design, it's still travel-friendly, but the build feels more premium and refined than ever. Pair it with the DJI Mimo app, and you'll unlock features like time-lapse, spin shots, and dynamic zoom, all perfectly stabilized. It's a bit pricier than the SE, but if you're serious about vlogging or short-form content creation, it's totally worth it. For creators who want premium stabilization and intuitive controls, the DJI Osmo Mobile 6 is the one. Grab it using the link in the description. Finally, we're ending strong with the Zhiyun Smooth 5 SAI Pro, a beast built for serious filmmakers and smartphone cinematographers. This model comes with AI tracking, 3-axis stabilization, and a built-in magnetic fill light that makes low-light shoots look professional without extra gear. It features a larger motor torque, which means it can handle heavier phones and accessories, even with external lenses or filters attached. The AI tracker module uses facial recognition and gesture control so you can film yourself hands-free. Plus, the Zhiyun app gives you full control over camera settings, color grading, and movement presets. The Smooth 5 SAI Pro also includes a premium storage bag, tripod, and quick charger, making it one of the most complete filmmaking kits of the year. It's heavier than the Q4, but if you're after professional grade performance and studio level flexibility, this one easily tops the list. For creators chasing perfection and cinematic quality, check the description for the Zhiyun Smooth 5 SAI Pro. It's the ultimate smartphone gimbal in 2025. And there you have it, the best smartphone gimbals of 2025, from travel-friendly stabilizers to full-blown filmmaking rigs. Which one's your pick for smooth cinematic shots? Let me know in the comments and check the description for all the links.